Today is all about cookies. I am marrying my favorite cookie recipe with one of my favorite candies, Reese's Pieces. Pasta might be my love language, but so are cookies and Reese's Pieces. You're not gonna wanna miss it. Hey everyone, it's Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are talking all about cookies. It's my favorite chocolate chip cookie recipe when I'm taking out the chocolate chips and putting in the Reese's Pieces because they're one of the best candies. Am I wrong? They are so good. These cookies are delicious. You're gonna love them. For more delicious desserts and easy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get in the kitchen. This cookie starts, as most of mine do, with melted butter. We're starting with 1/2 cup of unsalted butter that's melted, and you're adding 1/3 cup of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar. Stir that together, then add 1 large egg and a teaspoon of vanilla extract, along with 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Stir that together. This is a basic cookie base for this recipe. Then mix in 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. You can use any candy you want in these, but we are using Reese's Pieces because I think they're one of the best. Plus, they are crunchy and peanut buttery. It's a great texture in this cookie. I'm using 1.5 cups of Reese's Pieces candy. Stir that until it's combined. Then use a 2 tablespoon cookie scoop to drop cookie dough balls onto your prepared cookie sheet. No need to space these. And I hate to break it to you, but you really do need to chill this cookie dough. You can't skip that part. Go ahead and chill that for at least 30 minutes. Since we started with melted butter, they're gonna spread too much if we don't chill it first. My secret tip, when the cookies come out of the oven, you know they're done when they've just lost the glossy sheen. And as soon as they come out of the oven, I press a few more Reese's Pieces on top just so they're nice and pretty. And plus, more Reese's Pieces is always better. This is one of the easiest cookie recipes. I know you're gonna love them. You can see how soft and chewy they are from the inside with that crunch from the Reese's Pieces. These are absolutely delicious. Leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite candy is to put into cookies, and keep watching for even more cookie recipes.